Hey, we're finally online with thebugnut.com. Welcome to my vlog and let's get to it.
The Bug Nut.
Hi, and welcome to thebugnut.com. My name is Peter Rood, and well, this is my website and my vlog. I built this website to follow the restoration of my 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle. We'll be building this car right here, restoring it into my own custom Volkswagen Beetle, and then the plan is to drive it to California. So that's going to be a lot of work. I have no idea how long it's going to take, and I am by no means an expert. I've just been doing this for a long time, and I make it up as I go. So these videos won't be how-to videos or formal instructional videos. I'll just plan on showing you my progress, what's happening with the car, my mistakes, my successes, and hopefully you guys will learn something along the way, and for the most part just have fun. It's not like a big lesson, there's no test, and any advice you guys can give to me, hey, it's greatly appreciated. So this is going to be episode number 1. We're going to be talking about the teardown of the car. It's been sitting out in the backyard for several years. We got it into the garage. We're in what I call my operating room. And we're gonna rip this thing apart and clean it up and put it all back together. So let's take a look at some of the teardown process.